At 34, I walked away from the corporate world to do something that actually felt meaningful. Now, I run a videography business and I teach business owners how to create content that attracts their dream clients on social media. This channel is for business owners who want to grow their business without feeling like social media is taking over their life. If you're constantly chasing trends, feeling confused by new features, or just not sure how to make content actually work for your business, you're at the right place. Here, I'll share the latest trends, how to use new features, and simple ways to create content that feels authentic to you while helping your business grow without overcomplicating things. My mission is to help you feel confident creating content that works for your business so you can focus on connecting with your audience and build a brand you're proud of. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Theresa and I come from a Vietnamese family. My parents migrated to Sydney, Australia by boat, starting from scratch to give us a better future. So growing up, I thought success was all about following this simple formula, which is go to school, get a degree, land a good job, and buy a property. I did all that. And instead of feeling like I've accomplished something, I felt stuck. At 31, I made a choice for a change. I moved to London on a working visa, spent 2 years there. While I was there, I was contracting at banks and traveling around Europe, and that's where I discovered my love for photography and videography. When my visa ended, I had to come back to Australia, but instead of going back to the corporate world, I chose Melbourne and started fresh. I had no idea how to turn my creative passion into a career, but I took baby steps, starting with doing internships at a social media agency, freelancing, sometimes for free, and eventually landing a part-time gig as a videographer while growing my own business. Let me tell you, it wasn't easy, but every step has taught me something new and helped me build a business I've never imagined I would have. Thanks for sticking around. It means a lot that you're still here. If there's something that you're struggling with, drop it down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, ideas, and maybe some motivation you need to keep showing up and moving forward. And I know how challenging it can be to grow a business, and I know some days could be tougher than others, and I just want you to remember that enjoy the journey and make sure to be kind to yourself.